Insurance fundamentals. When the insurance world meets someone new to insurance, it can be a very, very big deal. Welcome to Insurance Reassurance, and today we are going to cover the topic of, you guessed it, insurance fundamentals. For this topic, the information will be centered around the fundamentals of insurance, whether it may be the fundamentals of home insurance, car insurance, travel insurance, and more, as this is information we all may need to know at one point of our life. So with that being said, let's get started. There are no certainties or promises throughout our everyday life. There is no guarantee that the business won't endure a starting loss or damages. So while we can't secure our interest against all risk, we can choose insurance. Allow us to take a look at the concept behind insurance companies as well as how they function. Insurance is defined as a contract, which is known as a policy, in which an individual or organization will receive financial protection and reimbursement from the insurer or insurance company. At a basic level, it is some form of protection from any possible financial losses, be that a trip cancellation, a car accident, the loss or death of a life, and many more losses that may impact a policyholder financially. The fundamental guideline of insurance is that an organization will decide to go through small periodic amounts of cash against a chance of a huge unexpected loss. Basically, all the policyholders pool their risks together. Any loss that they endure will be paid out of their premiums which they pay. There are 5 different elements of an insurance company, and we will be getting into each one right now. The first element of an insurance company is that it provides reliability. The primary function of insurance is that it takes out the uncertainty of an unexpected and sudden loss financially. This is probably the greatest concern of a business. Rather than this uncertainty, it gives the assurance of payments, which are the premiums to be paid. The second element of an insurance company is the protection. Insurance doesn't reduce the risk of loss or damage that a business may suffer. However, it provides a sense of security against such loss that a business may suffer, so that the business does not go through any financial loss that breaks down their daily functioning. The third element of an insurance company is the pooling of risk. In insurance, all the policyholders pool their risks together. They all pay their premiums, and in the event that one of them suffers a financial loss, the payout comes from this fund. So the risk is divided among every single one of them. The fourth element of an insurance company is the legal requirements. In a great deal of cases, getting some type of insurance is actually required by the law that everyone must follow. Like for instance, when merchandise is in cargo or when you open a public space, getting fire insurance might be mandatory, so an insurance company can assist you in meeting these requirements. The fifth and final element of an insurance company is the capital formation. The pooled premiums of the policyholders help create capital for the insurance company. This capital would then be able to be invested into beneficial purposes that produce income for the company. Principles of insurance. As we examined previously, insurance is really a type of contract. Consequently, just as there are elements of insurance companies, there are certain principles that are critical to guarantee the legitimacy of the contract. Both parties must follow these principles. The first principle of insurance is the utmost good faith principle. A contract of insurance should be made dependent on utmost good faith, or a contract of abrumate fidei. It is important that the insured disclose all relevant facts to the insurance company. Any facts that would increase his premium amount or would make any prudent insurer rethink the policy should be disclosed. On the off chance that it is later discovered that some such fact was covered up by the insured, the insurer will be within his rights to void the insurance policy. The second principle of insurance is the insurable interest principle. This implies that the insurer should have some monetary interest in the topic of the insurance. This implies that the insurer need not really be the owner of the insured property, yet he should have some personal stake in it. In the event that the property is damaged, the insurer should suffer from some financial losses. The third principle of insurance is the indemnity principle. Insurance, like fire and marine insurance, are contracts of repayment. Here, the insurer embraces the responsibility of compensating the insured against any possible damage or loss that he or she may or may not suffer. Life insurance isn't a contract of indemnity. The fourth principle of insurance is the subrogation principle. This principle says that once the payment has been made, the right of ownership of the property will move from the insured to the insurer, so the insured won't have the option to make a profit from the damaged property or sell it. The fifth principle of insurance is the contribution principle. This principle applies if there is more than one insurer. In such a case, the insurer can request other insurers to contribute their share from the compensation. In the event that the insured claims full insurance from one insurer, he loses his entitlement to claim any amount from different insurers. The sixth and final principle of insurance is the proximate cause principle. This principle states that the property is insured only against the incidents that are mentioned in the policy. In the event that the loss is because of more than one danger, the one that is most damaging is the one to be considered. So what do you think of the insurance fundamentals tips we've outlined in this video? Which videos do you want us to create next? Let us know your ideas in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Insurance Reassurance for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.